Hi guys, it's Aria here. Today we're on Casehug. Now, before starting the video, as you can see right here, we have our giveaway for the ones who deposit with my code Aria, just like these people. And also, you can have a 20% deposit bonus with the code Aria. So if you are willing to get those, you should definitely check my code out. Now, let's just go and start with a battle. I have high hopes for today. I don't know, but it's just a feeling. I hope it will be that way. I really hope so. Let's just pick out. Okay. Okay. We'll go like this. Let's just go and see how it goes. I hope it will be great. I really hope so. 35 rounds. Come on. Here we started. Oh my gosh, they started off with a royal. Not so cool. It's okay. It's okay, we can catch up. We can. Catch up. Come on. Come on, please. We have to catch it. We really do. Come on. Oh my gosh, come on. We're actually really close to each other. Come on. Why are we not able to catch them yet? Are you kidding? Come on. Okay. Okay, come on. We should keep this going. Keep it this way. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on. We have to get even more ahead. Because it's stressing me out like this. Anything can happen. You see? Oh my gosh. But it's okay. We're still so close to each other that we can catch it like really easily. I hope we do. But yeah. It stresses me out. Okay? Come on. Please. Please keep it this way. Please. I'm begging you. Please. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding with me? Are you actually kidding with me? Come on. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Come on. We have to catch up. We really do. Come on. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Well, we can do this. Come on. Okay, we have like 10 rounds left. We still have a chance to catch up. But come on. It has to work. Okay, come on. Please be a great one. Please. We need it. Okay. Well, nothing too fancy, to be honest. What can you do? Okay, we don't have much left. But come on. Oh my gosh. If it goes like this, we're gonna lose. Come on. There's like 6 rounds left. Get this one. We have to get it, please. Oh my gosh, come on. Come on, please. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, they got another royal. Like, how are we gonna catch them? Holy shit, 100. Okay, well, unless we get something insane on the last round, we lost it. Oh my gosh. And, yeah. Okay, well, what can you do? There is nothing we can do. Let's just, okay. Okay, let's go with this case. We'll see how it goes. Come on. Please. We have to get it this time at least. Oh my gosh, nothing too fancy. gosh, come on, please. And nothing big. Like, are you kidding with me? What is up today? Literally, what am I doing? Come on. Holy shit. Okay. We'll try a chance with the upgrades. Maybe we'll work on here. Okay, a great start. Let's try this one too, please. Okay. We're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. We were not too lucky today, but it's okay. Thank you, and I hope to see you on my other videos. Bye!